Recent advances in forensic toxicology. Forensic toxicology has undergone significant advancements in recent years, revolutionizing the field of medico-legal death investigation. This chapter explores the major technological developments in forensic toxicology and their implications in determining the cause and manner of death. High-resolution mass spectrometry, HRMS, and liquid chromatography tandem mass spectrometry, LCMS-MS, have greatly enhanced the detection and quantification of various substances, including novel psychoactive substances, in biological samples. Dried blood spot (DBS) analysis has emerged as a valuable tool that offers reliable results from minimal and easily stored samples. The integration of metabolomics and toxicogenomics has provided a comprehensive understanding of biochemical changes caused by toxic exposure, enabling the identification of specific biomarkers associated with toxins or drugs. These advancements have led to a more accurate determination of the cause and manner of death, particularly in cases involving complex drug interactions, metabolic disorders, and environmental factors. However, the interpretation of toxicological data remains challenging, requiring a multidisciplinary approach and consideration of factors such as post-mortem redistribution and individual variations in drug metabolism. Histopathology plays a crucial role in confirming toxicological findings, identifying target organs affected by toxicity, and providing insight into the nature and duration of toxic exposure. The combination of analytical techniques and microscopic examination has proven to be invaluable in drug-related fatalities and other forensic investigations. As the field continues to evolve, standardized protocols, continuous education, and collaboration among forensic experts are essential to ensure the accurate and reliable determination of the cause of death. Poisoning is a serious health problem in India, especially in rural areas where access to medical care and proper toxicology testing is limited. Many people are exposed to harmful substances like pesticides, industrial chemicals, and traditional medicines. These toxins are often easily available and handled without safety regulations, increasing the risk of poisoning. Children and farmers are especially vulnerable, and pesticide poisoning alone causes thousands of deaths in India each year. Healthcare providers face major challenges in diagnosing and treating poisoning cases due to the variety of substances involved. However, recent advances in medical technology, such as high-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC, mass spectrometry, GCMS, and immunoassays, have improved the speed and accuracy of toxin detection. Forensic toxicology, which plays a crucial role in determining causes of death, has also evolved with new tools that detect even small amounts of drugs or poisons in the body. The introduction of omics technologies like genomics and proteomics helps scientists understand how each person's body reacts to different toxins. These methods can reveal if a death was caused by an overdose, poisoning, or a natural reaction to medication. With machine learning and advanced data analysis, toxicologists can better interpret complex cases. To reduce deaths from poisoning, India needs stronger healthcare systems, better diagnostic tools, public awareness campaigns, and trained healthcare workers. As forensic science continues to advance, it can provide faster and more reliable answers in both medical and legal investigations, ultimately saving more lives and supporting justice. Forensic toxicology has become essential in understanding how people die, especially in cases involving drugs or poisons. Thanks to modern technology, experts can now detect tiny amounts of harmful substances in the body with great accuracy. Techniques like high-resolution mass spectrometry, HRMS, liquid chromatography, LCMS-MS, and dried blood spot, DBS, analysis help identify dangerous substances, including new or designer drugs. Other tools, like metabolomics and toxicogenomics, reveal how the body reacts to these substances, while histopathology shows damage to organs and tissues. These combined methods allow experts to solve complex cases, especially when multiple drugs or environmental factors are involved. As more powerful drugs and testing methods emerge, the field must keep improving through standard practices, teamwork, and constant learning. These advances not only help in solving deaths but also protect public health and ensure justice by making toxicology more accurate, dependable, and fair. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.